Chris Allingham with the Virtual Weber Bullet out in the garage today. You know, I get emails from people and I see posts on the Virtual Weber bulletin board about people that have water pans that seem like they want to fall down into the bottom of the cooker. That would be a tragedy because the water would make a giant mess, a big steam plume, you could burn yourself, and it will certainly ruin your food. You don't want that to happen. It can happen because sometimes there are variations in the diameter of the water pan. It's not a common occurrence. Weber doesn't want you to get a misformed water pan, but sometimes it happens because people report that they do have this problem. It's also a more prevalent issue when you switch to some other kind of a water pan besides the stock pan. If you're using a stainless steel mixing bowl or a pizza pan or maybe a terracotta, one of those things that goes under a planter, a saucer, a terracotta saucer, you may have a fit that's not perfect, in which case you may feel that whatever you're putting in there is not quite stable. Now there are a couple of ways that you can fix this. This is a unique solution from Albert Sanchez. He simply attached a 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch by 1/8 inch piece of steel strip to the existing flange using stainless steel screws and nuts. That makes the flange a little bit longer so it sticks out further into space so that the pan has a better chance of having a stable fit. In the case of Albert's cooker, he only added these to 3 of the 4 flanges. But I think I have an easier solution for you, and it involves just 1 or maybe 2 or 3 or more washers. Let me show you how it's done. Start by removing the bottom nut from one of the grill flanges. These are thin stainless steel washers that will fit over the 1/4 inch screw. You'll want to take the screw to the hardware store when buying these washers. Back out the screw and move the flange to one side. Then place 1 or more washers over the screw and replace the flange, pushing the screw back into the flange. Now replace the nut and tighten it securely. This pushes the end of the flange out into space so that it makes better contact with the water pan. You may want to add washers to some of the other flanges as well, or you may want to increase the number of washers. Just experiment until you get a good fit on the water pan, making sure it's secure. Well, I hope one of these fixes will make your water pan more secure in your Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker. Hope you're having a good time cooking. Please feel free to email me at the address you see on the screen if you have any suggestions for videos you'd like to see. Please like and subscribe to my videos. When you do that, you help other people find my videos. I am trying to build up my subscribership on YouTube, so thank you very much for liking and subscribing. And until next time, take care everybody. Bye-bye.